Very cheerful morning, dear students. We are learning chapter number 2, that is Inside My Body. We have learned about our body parts that we can see from outside. Now we are learning what is inside our body. First, we knew about inside the head is brain, and brain is a thinking organ. Underline this. Inside the head is the brain, and it is the thinking organ. Who tells our brains what to do? Do you know how our brain works? The brain collects information from our surroundings and tells our body parts what to do. Now, our 5 sense organs tell the brain. Who tell? Our 5 sense organs tell the brain what is happening around us. Eyes tell what they see, ears tell what they hear, nose tell what it smells, tongue tell what it tastes, and skin tell what it feels. The brain uses all this information and tells our body what to do. Now, today we are going to learn about the now that we know what is inside our head. Let's learn what is inside our chest. It is the chest. What is inside our chest? Inside the chest is the heart. Inside the chest is the heart. Underline. The heart beats all the time and pumps blood to all parts of the body. What is the function of heart? What is the work of the heart? Pumps blood to all parts of the body. Inside the chest, it is the chest is the heart. The heart beats all the time. Put your palm on your chest and feel that there is thak 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 thak. It is the beating of the heart and pumps blood to all parts of the body. It is the work of the heart. So today we will learn about heart. Now comes lungs. A pair of lungs is present inside the chest. Inside the chest, pair of lungs present, 2 right lung and left lung. They are air-filled bags which help us to breathe. What is the work of function? Which help us to breathe. What are lungs? Air-filled bags, and they are present inside the chest, right lung and the left lung. Right lung and the left lung, they are air-filled bags which help us to breathe. So today we will learn about heart and lungs. So read both this, and I am giving you some work to do in copy. So write it in your copy. Okay, children? And underline these lines. Children, we are going to write about heart. So first, H-E-A-R-T. Where it is located? Inside the chest. Inside the chest. It beats all the time. It beats all the time. Pumps blood to all parts of the body. So put a star here. Where heart is located? Inside the chest. It beats all the time. Why it beats? It pumps blood to all parts of the body. Now, lungs. Inside the chest, air-filled bags, help us to breathe. Right lung and left lung. Right and left. These are the bullet points so that you can recall it anytime.